How to make a PowerPoint presentation. Welcome once again to Test Edu program, educational videos from the comfort of your homes. You might wonder how you are going to make a PowerPoint presentation for your subject. Now in this tutorial, you are going to learn features of PowerPoint presentation and how to make one. Okay, so first we are going to open a new blank document. So you have here, click to add title. So before we add our title, let's first familiarize the different features of your PowerPoint presentation. So we have here the different tabs, the File tab, the Home tab, Insert tab, Draw tab, Design, Transition, Animation, Slideshow, Record, View, Review, and View. So in your Home tab, you can see here the different ribbons, and then the different ribbons are classified into groups like clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, editing. And for the Insert tab, you have here the different ribbons of your Insert tab. So you have here the new slides. So it's classified into slides, tables, images, illustrations, add-ins, links, comments, text, media. And then for your draw, so you have here also the different ribbons under draw tab. So you have the tools, pens, stencils, convert. And then for the design, so this is very important feature of your PowerPoint presentation. So in under design, so you have here the themes and the variants, and then customize. Then you have the transition. So you have the preview, transition to this slide. So you have here the different ribbons under transitions tab. Then you have here animations, wherein you can find the different animation effects of your slide. So later, I'll teach you how to do it. Then you have slideshow, record, review, view. So these are some of the important features of your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so supposing in your project, you have mga iba't ibang larawan o obra ng mga tanyag na pintor ng Pilipinas. So let's copy this one. And then let's go to your PowerPoint title slide. Okay, so let's copy it here. Okay, there you go. Mga iba't ibang larawan o obra ng mga tanyag na pintor ng Pilipinas. So you have here your title. So supposing you have here the subtitle, Likhang Sining. Okay, so now you have your title and the subtitle. So let's make it beautiful. Okay, so let's adjust you may adjust the font size. So go to your Home tab and then click the box here, and then click the arrow here in the font size, under font size. Now once you hover the mouse, you can see the effect in your slide. So for example, we'll choose 54. Okay, so that's the size of size 54. Aside from clicking in the box, in this box, you can also highlight and then try to do the same. Hover the mouse to the font size that you are going to use. Okay, so there are two. You can click on the box, or you can just highlight and then hover the mouse to the font size that you are choosing. Okay, so aside from that, you can also highlight on your title and then click the font. Okay, the kind of font that you are going to use. So you can have Algerian, Haroni, Agency FB. So whatever. So for this, since this is just a sample, so we will just choose Arial Narrow. Okay, so here, then you can have it bold if you like, and then you can have it all caps and capitalize each word, or you can just choose the uppercase or all caps. Okay, so do the same with your subtitles. So you can have it bold. You can choose the size that you like, the font size that you like. this is smaller than your title because it's just a subtitle, okay? So just click 32. All right, so now we are done adjusting the font and the font size of our title and subtitle. Now we are going to explore how we gonna change the color, okay, of your font. So you can choose any color you like. So supposing you choose this color red, okay? And then for your subtitle, you choose color blue. Just an example, okay? So blue, red and blue, okay? Now, you are done changing, adjusting the color of your title and your subtitle. Let's have our design for this title, okay? For this slide, okay? So, we can choose any design here. Supposing we have this design. So, this one, or this one, or this one, or whatever design. We can click this arrow here. Then you can see a lot of designs or themes that you can choose for your slides. Okay? So you have this one. So me, I want to choose a simple one. This one. Okay, for this example. So you can just choose a simple one. This one is simpler. Alright, so now we already have our title. Now, let's go to our next slide. Do right click and then new slide. So automatically, it will give us the theme of the same with our title page, title slide. However, there's a difference. This one is really designed for the title slide. Okay, so this one is designed for the rest of the slides. So if we click on new slide, so it will give us the same design. So let's move on. So since our title here is mga iba't ibang larawan o obra ng mga tanyag na pintor sa Pilipinas, so let's have our mga pintor ng Pilipinas. Okay, so let's do insert. Okay, pictures. Then on this device, let's try on this device. Okay, so let's go to our pictures, save pictures, then mga pintor. So let's look for Fernando Amorsolo. Insert. Okay, here is Fernando Amorsolo. So we already have Fernando Amorsolo. Okay, so let's type in his name, Fernando Amorsolo. So it's so huge, no? So let's adjust the text box. Okay, so we can drag below. So we can adjust the font again, make it bold, and then we can also adjust the picture of Fernando Amorsolo. So we can adjust the font size to fit in with our picture, and then we are done inserting the picture of Fernando Amorsolo. Now let's have the biography of Fernando Amorsolo. Okay, so let's go to our Word, then copy, then paste it here. There. Then let's click on the box, then adjust our font size. Then we can have it bold if we like. And then as you notice, there's no alignment here. So you can highlight and then align our contents to the left, at the center, to the right, or we can have it justified. So for this example, we will have it justified. Okay? So there. So we can have it not bold. Okay, so we can move it here. So there you go. Okay? So that's it. So we can adjust the font for it to be visible to our viewers. Okay, so this is 32. And then since we are using here, we can use the same font. We can also use different font. Okay, depending on your choice. The same as the title page, you can also use the fonts here, different fonts here. Then you can also adjust the size of your font. And then at the same time, you can also choose any color you like. You can have it orange, darker. That's it. So any font size, any font style, or any font color that you like. Okay, so let's proceed with his painting. So let's insert again, insert pictures. We can have it online. So if the internet is very slow in your area, so you can just choose from this device. So I'll just choose pictures in my device for my example. Okay, so pictures, save pictures, artworks. So we'll choose this one, Planting Rice by Fernando Amorsolo. Okay, so we will adjust. We can adjust at the corner, we can adjust at the side. So but I prefer adjusting at the corner. So I'll go back to that. So by clicking on undo. So redo, undo, redo, undo. See the effect? When you click on undo, so it will undo your work. And when you click redo, it will redo your work. Okay? So that's the use of undo and redo. Okay, so for my title, we will have it Planting Rice. So that's the title of his painting. Okay, the same with what we did previously. We can adjust the font style. Then we can also use different color of our font. So we can choose this color or whatever color you like. Okay, so you may choose your own color. Now, another feature is that when you double click this picture, it will give you the different picture styles. Okay, so you can choose this frame or this one or this one. When you hover the mouse, it will give an effect to your picture. So for this case, we'll choose this one. Okay, now it's covered. The name is covered. We can hold this box and then drag it down. There you are. Okay, so let's do the same with the second picture. So let's choose this one because we have chosen this previously, so we'll make it uniform. Okay, so that's it. So now we are done with our picture styles. Now we'll click on this picture and try to see its effect when we insert animation. Okay, supposing we'll float in. It will float in. Now let's click on the slideshow button, this one. Okay, see the effect? It floats in. And the second picture, we'll click this picture and then animation, click on animation, and then we'll look for another effect, for example, shiver. Okay, it will shiver. Now let's click on this slideshow button and then let's see the effect on our picture. Wow. Okay, so that's it. So that's how to insert animation. Okay, so this presentation is good to submit for your teacher, right? For your project. So in the future tutorials, I'll teach you more. So just for this video, you learn different features of your PowerPoint presentation, the different ribbons, the groupings under each ribbons, and then you've learned also to add your title in your title slide, and then your subtitle, how to insert picture using your device, and then online picture, how to insert text from Word going to your PowerPoint, and then how to animate your pictures. And then, so please don't forget to write prepared by. then your name, then submitted on, so the date today, supposedly January 31, 2022. Okay, so you may adjust the text box. Don't forget to write section. So grade 5 KPC. So upon submission, you click on File, Save As. So you browse on the folder where you are going to save. So for this case, we will have desktop. So mga iba't ibang larawan. So for example, your subject teacher requires you to have MAPE 5 and then your name, De La Cruz 1. Okay, 5 KPC. So that's it, 5 KPC. Then save. So try to see in your desktop, there you can see your work. And then this is good for submission to your teacher. Thank you so much for choosing Test Edo program. If you ever like the way I share it to you, please do subscribe, hit the like button, share it to your friends, and don't forget to leave your comments.